What'd you say? I missed what you said then.
She's cooled off.
Oh yeah, really cooled down. Oh. Bones are hurting. Oh, man. Stretch the footsies. That was a bit of a workout. Not over yet.
These trees are just incredible.
How they've grown back. Oh, well.
Oh, just the white, the snow gums.
Yeah,
like,
after the bushfire. Oof. Potential. Oh no, it's not. Looked longer from the other side, didn't it?
It did.
Right, it looked like a big straight.
Yeah, and I was going to do it.
Yeah, I was ready. I was ready to chase you.
Got to be something up here in it.
Yeah.
Maybe after this left-hander looks a little bit straighter.
Yeah.
You're right.
Ooh, there's some chill in that air now.
Yep, down to 11. So it's supposed to be 19, it's fucking thread bow.
Yeah. But this is the snow line,
Yes.
so Threadbow's below that a bit.
I guess so.
Woohoo!
That's exactly the same as the previous car.
Yeah, must be rental. I think that's where we stopped at the traffic light the last time.
Yes.
Somewhere around here. Yeah.
No, just back there.
Yeah,
before
just back there.
Left. Yep.
Oh, so it's downhill all the way now, isn't it?
Yeah. Fuck me. So sixth gear, we'll just roll through the corners.
Yep. Oh, it's all pretty wide open now.
Yeah.
All the tight stuff's behind us. Okay, we've done 231. Oh, I could probably do another 20k.
That's good, it's 38.
Oh, that's good.
Can you do another 38?
Yeah, who knows? Suck it, see. I'll just leave it in 6.
Just leave it in 6 and we'll roll through these corners.
Yeah.
So it's probably about 35